If you can make your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowances for their doubting too. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can meet with triumph and disaster, and treat those two imposters just the same. Or watch the things you gave your life for broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings, and risk it on one turn of pigeon toss, and lose and start again at the beginning, and never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are done, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. This is my second year going to a Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, and same location for both. And it's really cool to see a community come together of motorcyclists to support men's health, men's mental health, and really just have an awesome day together. It's a no pressure ride. I mean, you get to wear fun suits and really enjoy everybody's presence, enjoy a cool, calm ride. I mean, we took a really, really cool picture with everybody. I think that was at the Science and Industry Museum. And it was so cool to be a part of that, to share that with one of my friends. But it kind of, the day sort of soured for me. My buddy ended up taking a fall, and it's hard to see that, to experience that, to see the sheer violence in just a slow speed, motorcycle fall. He's okay, everything's good, no major hospital visits or anything like that. Can't say the same for the bike, but I guess that's a project in itself, and using humor to kind of deflect the situation. But just to experience that violence at 25 miles an hour, you don't really expect it, right? We watch these videos online of people falling or getting hit, or even watching some of the MotoGP races and those accidents, and it's just, for some of us, just kind of normal. It's an awe factor. It's something we sign up for when we go out and ride a motorcycle. But to see it happen so close in person with one of your good friends, it's definitely different. It changes your perspective on things, makes you think a little bit more. It's crazy how that sort of unfolded, and it's taken me a while to really look at this video, because I was walking into it with something fun, something bright, something cool, and I tried to match as best I could, but it turned into a little bit darker of a day and a memory for me. But I think really the moral of the story is be safe when you're out there riding. And if you can be a part of, a group ride like this where everybody's maintaining safe distances, where everybody's having fun, it's a light, cool, free environment, absolutely go for it. I'm not encouraging people to go to Lean Back Chirac or any of these other kind of large meets, which nothing wrong with them. You can do what you want to do, but make sure you can fit in with that crowd. Make sure you know and assess what could happen, and think of that every time you go out and ride. So just a reminder to be out there, to be safe, and take care of yourselves. And I'm not going to stop riding. It will never stop me, to be quite honest. I'm always going to ride a motorcycle. That's just a part of my life and what I love to do. But it's a sobering experience. It brings you down from that high of riding. So remember to be out there, stay safe, and always remember to keep riding.